Hey guys. Okay, so today I am back. So today I decided to do my own DIY K-pop notebooks, which are going to be just BTS today because, as everyone knows, I'm a BTS stan. I'm obsessed with BTS. I love them so much. So I want to start off by showing you the J-Hope, the chibi J-Hope that I drew. If you guys can see. Little J-Hope. So cute. So I started out by printing out some pictures that I'll show you. I printed out a little BT21 because I think it's really cute. Sorry, I'm going to try to move the light away so you guys can see. BT21. Mic drop. I feel really bad because Jimin and Namjoon, I don't know what happened when I was printing this. I feel really bad. Sorry, Jimin and Namjoon. I'm really sorry. I'm printing out this BTS logo. See, the printing came out bad. The BTS isn't even there. But I know what the logo is, so I'll be alright. I printed out this, which is going to go... These two are going to go together, so it's going to look like this and this. And then this printed out twice, but I put biology across there, and it's V, because V is one of my biases. He was my first ever. And this one, which is fake love. So yeah, I'm going to start with the BT21. So we're going to start with cutting this out. So it comes out looking like this, which I think is pretty nice. Even though it doesn't really 100% come out the way I want it to, it still looks really nice.
위해서라면 난 슬퍼도 기쁜 척 할 수가 있었어. 널 위해서라면 난 아파도 강한 척 할 수가 있었어. 사랑이 사랑만으로 완벽하게 내 모든 요점들은 다 숨겨지게.
So this didn't 100% come out the way I wanted it to, but there's the finished product, ET21. Next project I want to do is this one.
I wanna be a woman just for you. 세상을 저는 just for you. 전부 바꿔서 just for you. 나를 너무 who are you? Hey, 우리만의 수 너는 없어. 내가 와도 잊어버렸어. 나도 내가 누구였는지도 잘 모르게 돼. 거울에 다 뒤걸려봐. 너는 대체 누구야? 위해서라면 난 슬퍼도 기쁜 척 할 수가 있었어. 널 위해서라면 난 아파도 강한 척 할 수가 있었어. 사랑이 사랑만으로 완벽하게 내 모든 약점들은 다 숨겨지게. 이루어지지 않는 꿈속에서 피울 수 없는 꽃을 키웠어. 나였어 red, 나였어 red. 널 위해 예쁜 거짓을 빚어내. 너였어 red, 너였어 red. 너 지원해 뛰어기도록 해. 나였어 red, 나였어 red. 널 위해 예쁜 거짓을 빚어내. 너였어 red, 너였어 red. 너 지원해 뛰어기도록 해. Freak it this, freak it love, freak it love, freak it love. I'm so sorry but it's freak it love, freak it love, freak it love. Why you stop? I don't know, 난 몰라. 웃어봐, 사랑해 말해봐. 나를 봐, 나조차도 버린 나. 너조차 이해할 수 없는 나. 낯설다 하는 네가 좋아하던 나를 편한 내가 아니라 하는 예전에 네가 잘 알고 있던 내가 하는 게 뭐가 있어. 난 너만 없어. 사랑은 너가 사랑. I don't know why. 나도 날 모르겠어. I just know why. 'Cause it's a fake love, fake love, fake love. 나였어 red, 나였어 red. 널 위해 예쁜 거짓을 빚어내. 나였어 red, 나였어 red. 날 집어내 이런 기대려 해. 나였어 red, 나였어 red. 널 위해 예쁜 거짓을 빚어내. 나였어 red, 나였어 red. 날 집어내 이런 기대려 해. Freak it this, freak it love, freak it love, freak it love. I'm so sorry but it's freak it love, freak it love, freak it love. 널 위해서라면 난 슬퍼도 기쁜 척 할 수가 있었어. 널 위해서라면 난 아파도 강한 척 할 수가 있었어. 사랑이 사랑만으로 완벽하게 내 모든 약점들은 다 숨겨지게. 이루어지지 않는 꿈속에서 피울 수 없는 꽃을 키웠어. 널 위해서라면 난 슬퍼도 기쁜 척 할 수가 있었어. 널 위해서라면 난 아파도 강한 척 할 수가 있었어. 사랑이 사랑만으로 완벽하게 내 모든 요점들은 다 숨겨지게. 이루어지지 않는 꿈속에서 피울 수 없는 꽃을 키웠어. Freak it this, freak it love, freak it love, freak it love. I'm so sorry but it's freak it love, freak it love, freak it love. I wanna be a woman just for you. 세상을 저는 just for you. 전부 바꿔서 just for you. 나를 너무 who are you? Hey, 우리만의 수 너는 없어. 내가 와도 잊어버렸어. 나도 내가 누구였는지도 잘 모르게 돼. 거울에 다 뒤걸려봐. 너는 대체 누구야?
decently. I think they're really nice. I think they came out very well. I was so happy that I was actually able to like print these. Really happy. I think these came out like really well. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Over there, like I have all these packages from Amazon, mostly BTS and one Blackpink thing. Next video will be an unboxing video, BTS unboxing, and yeah, I'm just waiting on 2 more packages, which is why this video is up before the unboxing one, because I have the unboxing one all planned out. I'm just waiting for 2 more packages, which are arriving in between tomorrow and February 8th. It's like a really long wait. I'll explain everything in the next video, but yeah, thank you, bye.